What if I told you? The reason you're not successful yet is not your talent, not your luck. It's your daily routine. Every single day, you're either building your future or silently destroying it. And the scary part, most people don't even realize which one they're doing. Hey everyone, my name is Aman. And today, we're going to talk about something simple but powerful enough to change your entire life. Your daily routine. Part 1. The invisible trap. Most people wake up, check their phone, scroll for hours, and before they even realize it, half their day is already gone. Not because they're lazy, but because they're distracted. Your brain is designed to seek comfort, not success. So it pulls you toward easy things. Social media, entertainment, doing nothing, and slowly, day by day, you start losing control of your own life. Small habits, big damage. You think one bad day doesn't matter. But that's the biggest lie. Because your life isn't made of big decisions. It's made of small daily habits. Waking up late, ignoring your goals, wasting time. It feels small today, but repeat it for 30 days, 90 days, a year, and suddenly, you're stuck. Same place, same life, same frustration. The shift. Now imagine this. You wake up with purpose. You know exactly what to do. No confusion, no overthinking, just action. You don't need a perfect routine. You just need a consistent one. Start simple. Wake up at the same time. Spend 1 hour learning or improving yourself. Cut down distractions. Focus on one goal every day. That's it. Success isn't complicated. It's just repeated discipline. Your future isn't decided tomorrow. It's decided today, right now, by the choices you make after this video. So ask yourself, are you controlling your routine? Or is your routine controlling you? If you want more videos like this, about mindset, psychology, and real-life growth, make sure to like this video, and comment what topic you want next.